Hello guys, welcome to the Cloud Guru. So today I came up with new 3 keyboard shortcuts which will help you for your daily job. If you are working with any computers or any applications, this will surely help you in your daily work. So let us start without any delays. So you can see on my screen there is a online keyboard, so you can see what are the key combinations I am pressing. Also from the right bottom side you can see the key combination, and also I have mentioned it in the notepad on the screen, so you can see what are the key combinations. The first key combination is Windows plus E key. So what it will happen when you press the Windows plus E key on your keyboard, it will immediately open your My Computer or your Explorer. So normally how we will use this, if you have a mouse, you need to select your My Computer from your desktop or either from your task manager. You need to taskbar, you need to click on the Windows Explorer or My Computer, then only you can open the My Computer or your any drives with the help of mouse. So if you are typing any job or doing anything on the keyboard, immediately you want to open your computer, My Computer or your D drive, no need to take the mouse, you can use Windows plus E key. It will immediately open your My Computer in the Explorer. So I hope you like this. The next shortcut, if you are opening a lot of browsers or your My Computer, I have opened My Computer, lot of things on my desktop, and I just want to go to my desktop immediately. So which key I need to use? Windows plus D key. If you press Windows plus D key, immediately it will take you to the desktop. So if you press again the Windows plus D key, it will open the all the minimized task again for you guys. So Windows plus D key. So what is the specialty for the third shortcut? It is Windows plus I key. So if you press Windows plus I key, you can immediately go to the system settings without any delay. So no need to search for the control panel or go through your mouse or anything. Just click Windows plus I key. So I hope you enjoyed my today's video. Please give me good comments. If you have any doubts, I will reply you as much as I possible. Please give me good comments and subscribe me, share my video to your friends and family. Thank you.